Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Brian. So I'm back today, and I'm outside. It is very hot out and shiny. So today we have a bobcat, and the cat we're not allowed to bring inside. But I just found this with my other friend. She has a YouTube channel. Abby.
Hi, it's me, Abigail.
And her YouTube channel is all. What is it called again?
It's
All around the cat.
Yeah.
All around the cat. Because this cat right here, we found out back. Well, no, it's out of nowhere. It's out back of my house. So we're about to go look around and go find some baby kittens of theirs. And it's like Easter time right now, so we're gonna go see. There was a few cats out this morning. I walked out there. There was nothing out there, but this is a bobcat right now. So we're just gonna go walk back there. Come on. And come on, Tiger. Hey, baby. Tiger. So guys, we're going out back right now. Abby, I don't think I should be doing this because the phone. Because Dayton's watching YouTube inside. So we're just going out back to look around. Abby, if we hear him.
You found that bobcat over here?
Yeah, we just found it like right out here. My grandma's gonna wonder why the phone's out here, Abby. So guys, we're right where we found the cat. This right here is a big leaf pile. We found the cat just sitting right here. We're just gonna look around right here and see if there's any babies back here, but we don't see any so far. And they would be screaming, so. There was a cat right over here, Abby, this morning over here eating these things, but I don't know what they are. So right now we're just looking and we see nothing back here. I don't know why that cat was.
What is that?
The cat was back here, but
That's a kitten.
yours. Guys,
Look, the kitten.
that's a kitten.
That's a kitten.
That's a kitten. Guys, we found a baby kitten. We found a baby kitten. Oh man, Abby, look at that baby kitten. That's a baby.
Tigers.
That's a baby kitten. Abby, jump the fence and go get that kitty. Abby, jump it. Go. Abby, you can't get through that fence. You have to jump the fence and get the kitten. Get it, Abby. There's a freaking kitten back there, you guys. So if you here, get it. You see that cat right there? There's a freaking face. Right through the woods right there, there's a cat. It's a baby kitten, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh guys, the next video I'll get that cat, okay? So bye.